Hello willing hands, this is Abigail here, also known as Two Willing Hands. Oh yeah. And yes, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do another stitch, which is called a rigid stitch. I'm probably not saying it right, but it doesn't matter. So with this stitch, you can use it to make a scarf, a hat, even a bag if you want, a jumper. It's a really easy stitch, but you can get confused easily. So let's make sure that you can do this stitch without no problem and no help. And as usual, if you would like to see some more videos from my channel, feel free to leave a comment down below, share, like and comment, all that good stuff. And let's not waste any more. So as usual, we're going to start off with the slip knot. So make a slip knot, and this is how I do mine. I wrap it around my finger twice, over the first loop and then over the second. And then voila, vamos. Insert your hook. And this is how I put on my hand. And then I use my middle finger and thumb to hold the knot, and they will help me throughout the whole pattern. So my middle finger and thumb help me to control my work. So let's chain 20. I've got 20. Okay, now just add 2 more. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now count 4 chains down. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we're going to do a double crochet. So that is yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then one more time, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is what we'll do all the way to the end. So the first row will just be double crochets, okay? And I only use US terms, I don't use the UK term, because that is how I learned when I started. I find the UK term a bit confusing, but you know, everyone has their favourite tea, right? Okay, I've reached the end. So now I'm going to chain 1, turn, yarn over, and now this is where it gets different, okay? I just want to make sure you can see this clearly. This is where it gets differento. So, as you can see, these chains, they look like the letter V. So this is the front part of the letter V. This is the back part of the letter V, sorry. So we will only be doing our double crochets in the back of the V stitches, okay? So in the back of the V's at the top, we'll be doing our double crochets. So let's go for it. So yarn over, okay, yarn over into the back only, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, in the back only, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull for 2, and yarn over, pull for 2. And you're going to just do that all the way to the end. Okay, so back loop only. And also in the back of the last one, try not to miss that one. Okay, chain 1, turn, and repeat the same process, only in the back, okay, as so. Just keep going in the back only. So it's a pretty simple stitch, and you can do it for other stitches like single crochet, half double crochet, and also treble crochet. It just adds a really nice rigid effect. Can be a bit of a struggle sometimes, eh? But there we go. So you can do as many rows as you like just to get into the hang of it. You can also start with, for each row, you can also start with 3 chains, and the 3 chains will act as your double crochet. I just like to start with 1 chain because I find my edges are much more straighter. So really and truly it is up to you, okay? Well up to you. Okay. And I'm gonna chain 1 and fasten off right here. And there we have it. That is how you do the double crocheted rigid stitch. Can you see the, like it's like a little bump there? Yeah? Great, so now you know how to do the rigid stitch. I'd love to see what you make with it. Feel free to tag me in it on Facebook, and also Two Willing Hands. I will leave all that information down below. Feel free to like, share and comment, and as usual feel free to request for any tutorials that you desire to see. And you notice how stretchy it is as well. It's a very stretchy stitch. So me personally, if I were to do this one, I would use a smaller hook size because it's very stretchy, you know? Yeah. Thank you. Bye for now.